Well, here's camp. Sorry if I'm breathing loud. I'm just got done climbing that hill. Too old, too fat, too out of shape. So let's walk back to camp and I'll show you my setup. Here's the area for the fire pit. Far enough from the tent that it won't make the tent stink. I brought a little wood up with me, but I'm going to have to cut some more. But you can see there's trees down all over the place around here. So I'll get the chainsaw out later, do some cutting. Some Coleman chairs. I really like these chairs. They're good and strong. I'm a fat guy and they hold me just fine. And my old Coleman lantern, 236, a major. Trash bag. I've been picking up trash around the camp. That thing right there is my fire starter. You can rub sticks together all you want, but this is how I do it. Little weed burner. Okay, this is the Springbar. They call it a leisure port. I just did a couple videos on how to set these up. Pretty simple. Inside, got my Coleman camp kitchen. Had this, I don't know, 20 years, and I love it. You can do your dishes in it. Place for prepping your food. Hangers on top. Just stuck a thermometer up here. What does this say? 63 degrees. So not too bad. And underneath you got storage there. Storage there. This table here works real well for putting your stove on. It's nice and low. Oh, I don't think I've ever showed you guys any one of my knives. This is one I made for camping. Just a camp kitchen knife. And I also brought up my bushcraft knife I made. And on the other side, got my old Coleman stove. This one was made in '74. It's a 426D. And my Griswold griddle on top. So you can see it's got plenty of room to cook. Over them two burners. This side you can stick your coffee pot. Or you can slide her over and use all three of them. And we come to the Springbar Campsite 3. It's a 4-man tent. 4 crowded, 3's comfortable. 7 by 10. Got a nice awning on it. Inside, just storage in the corner. Got the old Coleman stove. Got it sitting on a rubber pad, so just protect the floor. It doesn't get hot, but if I spill any gas or anything, it won't ruin the floor. And I got a little battery operated lantern. It works good, so I can use that at night here. And a little table. And I've got a cot. with a 3-inch foam pad on it. Sleeping bags and Old Woods Arctic Sleeping Robe. It's about 50 years old. It's a down sleeping bag. It's good for 40 to below. And I've had it in about 20 below, even a little colder, and I slept nice and warm. It's got a wool liner, and I'll usually take this fleece blanket and put it inside. So on the tent, we've got a little storage compartment here, and another one on the other side for dirty laundry or whatever. Then along the top, I've tied a rope. Runs along to the other side. Now you can hang your wet clothes or dirty socks on or whatever. So that's about it. I'm going to get a fire going, kick back and drink a pop. Actually, I think I'll make some coffee. It'll wake me up more. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It might be cheating, but that's how I light a fire.